like on a bad and can take my little dicky away. Neil body big. And Neil can use him dick. The real future I tell us I go and come. I said the video with me I go come with Neil. I go left me. Neil live. Fuck Neil block me off him. Neil block me off him page. First thing, Neil block me off him page. Second thing, Neil can go and suck dick. Then Neil black me on him page. I'm a black back Neil, so I don't know what going on Neil page. I can't see what he posts. Him can't see what me post because him have a fake page. Him not have to use it to watch me out. I'm gonna see why you black me and him a watch me. Him have two page. Him have him real page where him black me from. I'm a black him back from it. And him have a next page where him use fuck a lie. Watch out me something them and I go tell me say anything me post people send him. Like say me him not lie I tell. Go on him live, bring up him views, him promote him, me figure help him. Me you know see a mother big you know artist and mother for help him. Kenisha Neil love MG friend one you bad. But I go and Neil love my friend. Yes, he loves me. Neil only love me when me have blood clot money all across this world, you know me. Some telling you what going on. Saying no saying. Me, you know. And Kayla there yard. Kayla cuss one woman. I don't know who Kayla cuss. I don't know why Kayla cuss the woman, but Kayla cuss somebody, right? So you know say me I go pick up feet because Kayla used to live with me. Kayla used to live with me, huh? So this man, you know, but this name, I can't tame. My name Vany, me can't tame. So I say anything more. So you know, say Kayla cuss with somebody. I don't know what Kayla cuss with. Kayla cuss, yeah, what about Kayla? So me get up now and me start help Kayla for cuss out the somebody. Me I tell, me I this somebody like some know them, you know. One day, you know, me and Kayla go off a tree to collect some money. Plus, them in an off a tree 4 away. Me, Kayla, and 2 other girls. Or we did link up with the 2 other girls, cause the one 4 away, they'll go up on the ends, isn't it? They'll go part with the crew, you know, the crew. I have to call no names, the crew. Such man. Anyways, what did I know? Oh, if I say what 2 girls come to it. Remember the time then? The other 2 girls, them they're right upstairs and about me never know the girl them seen. The boss tell me say some girl I go call my phone. I will go link up with them and they will out for the one place which is at Pavilion and then somebody will come pick me up downstairs. You understand? But first me have to collect some money. So me upstairs now. Did I will collect the money. So me the upstairs now. Me did I'm collect the money. When I come out, no Kayla advise me here before me come out. Kayla, I cuss out somebody. You know the Western Union me there and when me come out, Kayla I cuss. I don't know what I don't know who the Kayla was. I don't know how it go, but me know say Kayla liar long. Everybody knows say Kayla fully bookie liar. So I go out and Kayla say, Vany, you remember the girl them what they argue with IG? See them here come to me like I'm a bad girl and them are this. And due to all me today I try remember what I just last night when the girl them cuss my Instagram. Just last night. Somebody that myself for me I wonder. Which girl them I know we cause me me did what which girl me did what me my body girl never know but me I got them remember say which girl am I cause Kayla say no the girl boy we had done last night for life I say last night I say me act like me not would some two big blood clot thick girl roll out a knife and them thing them I say no man Kayla and who them woman here and Kayla say Bonnie you know remember the two girls them from last night where you cuss but through me I try to hide out the story me I said Jesus Christ and what Kayla talk about now so tell the two girls them want them frozen you know when me ready for touch on your topic you know somebody didn't know and me I try rub it out you know so while Kayla I'm go up on IG go see what they are going the people them stand up and look then the time they text me I text chop and I ask chop push back the Kayla yeah Kayla bust out yeah they are text chop with my girl and me I straight stop this show me I try argue the argument Kayla she willing to fight too you know but the blood clot and the woman come the two girls them was supposed to meet up with me I know them and them know me you know two girls them come and I say Ivany I want so me start that shit you know me I say blood clot they even tell me so we have two years to kill we have already and then I have an next two again and me no want to stand up and a girl go stab me and run and one stab can lodge anywhere and kill me you know so me I said Jesus Christ two more come the dead we are dead so me start call chop and chop say yeah man what the power we have forward I walk go on miss right and then me the girl them say I walk go on Ivany I walk go on your son and Kayla sister the girl them wear away from and Kayla she start get ignorant so what me I try for say stick to the people them who will fight for you. They say we don't know them the girl from nowhere and then the girl willing to fight and save my life, rescue me from all death and contention. And Kayla she willing to go put me in a danger. Oh me would have me but I see you and run left them. Friend first thing first. What you mean by after I don't know what Kayla and the girl them about me know me just take it up on my head and start cause I should put it up on my head you know why because me know the type of friend me have and the type of friend me have is a lion. So Kayla never tell lie one time say Neil shoot me. Make me I go station think I Neil shoot me for true. Cause the night when me I call Neil when the man them did come on me I call Neil could get Neil lock off him phone and when Neil do come back around 2 o'clock and around 2 o'clock at the last time me stop call Neil so when Neil look on the last call and she say at that time him did answer and tell me say him just reach him yard and at them the time that shoot the man them did out and me get I think I did them all got station and right down him name in a book and all them somewhere. Kayla's a sick blood clot girl. You hear me I tell you? Now it's time to talk about TNH glow. Realize I don't use no filter. I don't know if you can see me good. But people to my phone and do all the little like the cream bad. You see me? This is my body cream. Almost finished. I want to tell you how long I have it for now. I just start promote for the lady. I have that cream here. Cream bad. I turn on the AC. Wait till tomorrow. When I can see bright sun. And the sunlight. Our cream. I'm going to tag our page. TNH. _ glow. Yeah man, Kayla original lied. Kayla lied them. I want to believe it's like she have some power in her lie. You have to believe in her. TNH face cream are the bodies. It not burn you. It just and this a cream you can last for a month and look what little. This can last for more than a month. All you need to do, rub it on your peel 2 times a day, and you see your skin start glow. No bump, no nothing. Probably I show the light here, but tomorrow morning I will come live and show you how it look. People more white no blood clot. Worse I come in worse I come in a guard door. But lock up me and I rub my white as fuck. And it not burn you. It not burn you. I screenshot that page. What were you doing in the park today? Go suck your mother. Whosoever that person is. Say to people like them they know. People like them that will cost your life. People like them they don't want to run you. People like them they if me have a gun you kill them. And it don't smell. It don't smell.